Hey judges, it's Mike checking in with video 4 for the acne category, and I want to talk about Morgan's treatment today. So after we did the double cleanse, I went in with the hydrating Papain Enzyme mask. This mask has 1% papain that will gently exfoliate the skin, but it also has hydrating ingredients that hydrate the skin too. I left it on for about 10 minutes and combined it with steam so that it could really help the enzymes work a little bit better and soften the sebum in the skin, which then prepared me for extractions with cotton wooded tips. I went in with a high frequency device that uses plasma to create an ozone environment. This really creates an environment that C. acnes bacteria cannot survive in. I went in with 12 minutes of blue LED light therapy. Blue light has a specific wavelength that is absorbed by porphyrins. This helps to kill C. acnes bacteria. And I went in with 15 minutes of cryo. When applied to the skin, cryotherapy constricts blood and lymphatic vessels. This treatment helps create an oxygen-rich environment, which really helps to strengthen the skin's immune response. I utilized the Albumin Conditioning Mask. This helps me strategically repair her skin in between more aggressive treatments so that I can treat her skin weekly. This treatment does not alter the skin's pH. It helps to stimulate enzymatic activity that helps regulate collagen types 1 and 3, Langerhans cells, and keratinocytes. The enzymes in this mask are non-exfoliating and target things like dead cells, toxins, and impurities by turning them into weak acids and flushing them through the lymphatic system with reverse osmosis. Reverse osmosis is the process that removes contaminants from solution by applying pressure until it passes through a semi-permeable membrane. This cleans our intercellular matrix, which is the fluid in which our cells live and communicate for healthier, stronger skin. The mask initiates substrate action, which energizes skin cells through oxygen uptake to the mitochondria, helping lymphatic drainage that comes with reverse osmosis. It's split into 3 phases. The first phase is hydrolysis, where the enzymes in the mask neutralize oxidants, dead cells, and waste. The second phase is Xenodigestion, and this involves activating enzymes that prepare to flush cellular waste out of the system. The third phase is biodrainage, and this involves intense drying and tightening of the mask, which applies that pressure downward, triggering cytokines to secrete signals and stimulate collagen production. After 45 minutes, I removed the mask and applied sunscreen to protect and hydrate the skin. You can see that she has mild erythema and that beautiful plasmatic effect, which means intercellular homeostasis was achieved.